Welcome to this practice that I call the panic button. It's a three-part sequence designed to help you when you're experiencing a panic attack, a wave of intense anxiety, or if you're having feeling of distress or dissociation. The goal is to bring you back into your body, to the reality of your body, to restore a sense of safety, and to anchor you into the present moment. You can do the entire practice at once, or you can do parts of it according to your needs. Now, this practice is done seated, standing, or my personal preference is to do it lying down on the floor on a firm surface so that you can really feel the support of gravity throughout your body. So lie down comfortably. If you need support under your knees, you can place a cushion or a rolled blanket there. And if you need support under your head, use a small pillow. Take your time to get really comfortable. And to continue, bend your knees and put your feet on the floor, hip width apart, finding the position where your feet are able to rest flat without effort on the floor. Notice each foot's contact, the heel, the arches, the toes. Is the weight more inside, outside, toward the big toe or the little toe? And is it the same from the left side to the right side? Now press your left foot firmly into the floor as if you're drawing strength from the earth. Keep your breathing flowing and feel the force that you're generating travel up through your knee, your hip, your spine, and your head, and release. And do this a few times of pressing as strongly as you can firmly into the floor, both as if you were drawing strength and generating strength from the earth. And feel the force travel up to wherever you feel it, and release. And repeat this motion with your right foot, pressing the foot firmly into the floor. Feel the strength traveling up your knee and your hip and your spine and your head, and release it. And after you've done this a few times, just rest for a second with your feet flat on the floor. And now you're going to press your left foot into the floor while at the same time lifting your right arm a few centimeters from to the ceiling. And lower both together and rest. You're going to do this a few times. Press your left foot into the floor while lifting your right arm toward the ceiling, and release. Your arm comes down. And then do the same thing on the right side. Press the right foot into the floor as your left arm lifts. And feel that each time you're doing this, the center of you tends to sink in more deeply into the ground. You feel your left hip bone and your right hip bone and the shoulder blades connecting. And now press both feet into the floor while lightly lifting both arms And each time you lower and you rest for a second before you repeat. And feel when you do this the entire center of your body and your back and your pelvis and the upper part of your back sink and spread into the floor. And breathe when you're doing this movement. And now lengthen your legs, arms resting by your side. Scan your contact with the floor from head to toe. Notice any changes in how you're lying, the symmetry, changes between the left and the right, but also between the beginning of the lesson and now. Notice the ease and the sense of yourself. And when you're ready, very slowly roll to one side and come up gently, keeping the feeling of safety, of presence and connection with yourself and with the ground. Thank you.